Hi, this is Tablet Store UK, and we're going to take a look around the ICECARE 7, our 7-inch ruggedized Android tablet running an Android 4.1 build, which will get periodically updated, and with a couple of unique features which we'll go through now. The Android build itself is pretty much a vanilla build of Android, so there won't be anything particularly different about the software, although we'll take a look at particularly the NFC and barcoding capability. Primarily what makes this device unique is the combination of hardware features, ruggedness, dual batteries, etc. So we'll take a look around those around the outside first of all. So first of all, running around the outside of the device, we take a look at the top edge. We have an LED lit power button and the area indicated to put RFID tags for near-field communication. There's nothing along the right edge of the device, but there is a chunky rubberized grip which follows around onto the bottom edge, where we have a docking connector. At the time of making this video, there isn't currently a docking station for the device, but that will go into production and the docking connector is there for it, so we will see some docking accessories for the device. On the left edge we have an IP sealed covering which gives you two full-size USB ports, which is very nice to see. A number of customers have asked for full-sized USB ports on an Android tablet, not only because it's more convenient than having a micro USB which you then have to upscale to a normal USB, but also because the ports themselves are physically much more stable and less likely to wear and tear and eventual damage. Also, we have a full-size SD card slot, so you can put in a full-size memory card. Again, this is much more convenient people over micro SD. And we have the DC power in socket here, so the charging is via DC power in or eventually via the docking connector, not via USB. On the rear we have a metal kickstand which is finished in a rubber foot, which feels like a very sturdy kickstand bolted into the device, allowing you to prop up the unit at a 45 degree on a table. Also we have the dual hot swap batteries which have locking clips to lock them in place, so you can take out a single battery without turning off the device and replace it, and then swap the other one if you need to continue operation without charging. The batteries themselves have a button and indicator to show you the current battery level, and there's a charging status for the batteries individually at the right here. At the top right hand corner, or top left if you're looking at the front of the device, is the 2D barcode scanner, or optionally a 1D barcode scanner. And at the top on the other side is the rear facing camera with flash. It's currently not fitted on, but a rear hand strap comes with the device along with locking screws that go into the four corner points that you can see here, two of which have a metal D-ring on so that you can connect a shoulder strap. So basically you can have simultaneously on the device a shoulder strap and hand strap, so that you can use the device with either one hand or let go entirely. So we'll dive in and take a look at the features of the tablet. As mentioned previously, it's a vanilla build of Android, so a relatively empty app tray, but we'll take a look at the features of specific interest on this device. At the front side, note that there is a front-facing camera and microphone, and there are soft buttons down the right-hand side for home, menu, back and search if you're designing full-screen applications and still want access to those features without having a permanent button bar in Android 4. We'll take a brief look initially at NFC. There is an SDK for this, and this is just a demo to show you that we can read and write tags. I've got two unique cards here, so just to show you that we can get a read off both and that we're reading unique IDs. If I present the first card on the top of the device, then you'll see the tag ID, and if I take a second card and present it on the top of the device, you'll see the tag ID changes, so we're reading the tag IDs. To show you how that works with an NFC enabled device such as a phone, I've got a BlackBerry 10 device. If we present that at the top of the unit, you see that we can touch the unit to send information. Touch that, information's received at the handset, and in this case it's sending us to a URL, although you could configure it to send any data that you wish. If we take a look at the barcode reading, again, this is controllable via an SDK, and we supplied the manuals for the barcode reader so that you can program the barcode reader functionality in an ordinary way. If I press the scan button, then you can see the lights at the rear of the device looking for a barcode. If we actually put that to use and take some sample barcodes. First of all, if we take a 1D barcode, can see the information there. Then if we take a 2D barcode, in this case a QR code with V-card data, scan, and that's taken in the full V-card data. Just to point out that there are two separate battery indicators on the menu bar in Android, so as well as the indicators on the rear, on the screen you're also getting an indication of both battery statuses, not just one. So to conclude, the ICECARE 7 is an IP64 1.2 meter drop tested ruggedized device with long battery life from dual hot swappable batteries, a high brightness 500 nit screen, integrated 3G, GPS, 1D or 2D barcode scanner and RFID reading MyFair and NFC cards, and uniquely two full-size USB ports and a full-size SD card slot. The 3G card slot is behind battery 1 on the left, and just to show you that, you can see the SIM card slot there. If we take a look at the front of the device with one battery out, you see a message saying one of two batteries is low, and we can see the battery percentage remaining on the left battery, and on the right hand side battery not present, and we've only got one battery indicated at the top there instead of two, so it's the right hand side battery that's missing. Lock that back in place, and we have two batteries indicated again. Thanks for watching. For more information and pricing, head to tabletstoreuk.com.